there! Are you feeling bogged down? Well, I have some facts about bogs that might be of interest to you. First of all, behind me is a group of carnivorous plants that live in bogs. So this is the sundew, and it's actually growing on top of sphagnum moss. And today I learned that sphagnum moss is vital to a bog. So a bog is basically an area filled with a lot of water. The moss kind of halfway decomposes, and then the decomposition process is slowed down. So everything gets very acidic and there's a lack of oxygen. So there's lots of stuff though that can grow in bogs. They just are adapted to living in that kind of environment. And in order to get the nutrients that they're lacking from normal soil that is lacking in a bog, these plants will actually eat bugs and insects in order to get amino acids and nitrogen and all of those other nutrients that they need. So if you zoom in here, this is a pitcher plant. So the pitcher has these little hairs on it, and the insects will like fall into the pitcher, and there's digestive enzymes that are sitting in that water that will break down the insect, and then the plant will absorb those nutrients. This is the flower of a pitcher plant when it blooms, so it can reproduce. And then before I talked about the sundew, but you can zoom into it again and you can see that there's like all these little sticky, like little tendrils on the sundew that have nectar that the insects are attracted to, and then the sundew will fold around the insect and digest it alive. So one final fact about bogs is that they're really good carbon sinks, which means that they absorb like carbon, typically from carbon dioxide or other organic material, and will hold on to that for a really long time. So it can be important to help to alleviate climate change by absorbing all that carbon dioxide. So we need to protect our bogs. So I hope you're less bogged down, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!